Diver to TC for comm check.
TC, diver, comm check, good.
Comm is good.
Comm is good. Okay, TC, ready to go.
Alright. First, you're going to place the torque bar onto the torque bar slot.
Torque bar on torque bar slot.
Alright, now place the black end of the anchor into the substrate.
Okay.
Add a little bit of pressure and start rotating it to the right or clockwise.
Okay, rotating clockwise with medium pressure. You're to the B level.
Alright, well, try to get it to the fins if that's possible, but if it's too hard, then you can stop.
Okay. Progressing to the fins. I'm almost to the fins. Alright, the fins have made contact.
Alright, copy that. I think that's good.
Okay.
Remove the torque bar from the anchor.
Torque bar removed.
Now attach the hook or the scale to the tether ring.
Attach the... I'm sorry, say that again?
Attach the fish scale to the tether ring.
Okay, fish scales on tethering.
Alright, now just begin the test.
We're at 17, 18, 20 pounds, 22 pounds. We're at, wait a minute, that was kg. We were at 50 pounds.
Wow,